Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create an animated picture stroke video on CapCut. So first, just prepare a background in the main track. Now add the first image that you want as overlay. So in this case, I'm going to use this pictures right here. Click on add. And now trim the picture into 0.5 seconds like this. Now you can just adjust the size and also position. I'm going to go with this. Okay, now go to cutout and click on remove background. After the background has been removed, go to cutout stroke and then select the straight cut stroke. Now click on the check icon. I'm going to make it bigger like this. Okay, after that you just need to add the other picture as overlay and put it after this first picture. Okay, for example this one, and just repeat the same steps. So adjust the size, remove the background and add the cutout stroke. Okay, so after you put all of the pictures, so the video now will look like this. Now you can just export the project and open it in a new one. Click on done, open the project in a new project here. Click on add. Now just copy the video as many as you like. Depends on your liking. I'm going to copy it 3 times, and now the video will look like this with the animated picture. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on like, leave a comment and click on a thanks. Bye.